Beacon Medical Group would like to take this opportunity to thank its community for continuing to wear masks in our practices, and we wanted to reach out to let you know why this is still important when visiting a healthcare setting. The legal requirement to wear a mask no longer applies. However, the government suggests that you continue to wear a face covering in crowded and enclosed spaces where you may come into contact with people that you do not normally meet. Face coverings and face masks will continue to be required in healthcare settings to comply with infection prevention control and adult social care guidance. This includes hospitals and primary and community care settings such as ours at GP practice. They must also be worn by everyone accessing or visiting care homes. You are required to wear a face mask covering on entering these healthcare settings and must keep it on until you leave unless you are exempt or have a reasonable excuse for removing it. You may ask, why should I wear a face covering? The reasons are simple. COVID-19 spreads from person to person still by small droplets, clouds of tiny airborne particles known as aerosols, or contact with contaminated surfaces. When someone with COVID-19 breathes, speaks, coughs or sneezes, they release particles which may contain the virus that causes COVID-19. When in close contact, the larger particles can land in the nose or the mouth of people nearby. The smaller airborne particles can stay suspended in the air for some time and can be breathed in. Viruses can also be picked up from the surfaces that particles land on if you touch that surface and then your face without washing your hands first. Regular hand hygiene is still important for controlling the spread of the virus as well as other winter bugs. If we are able to take these measures, we can all work together to protect those more vulnerable members of our community when they visit our practice. The best available scientific evidence is that when used correctly, wearing a face covering will reduce the spread of COVID particles, helping to protect everybody. Thank you.